Aya, and in this post I'm going to show you how to create a video ad campaign in AdWords. If you haven't noticed yet, there has just been a big update in AdWords, and if you haven't updated your account yet, it will automatically happen on October 12th. Now, in this video I'm going to show you how to create your campaign manually inside the new interface. Make sure to also click the link at the end of this post to download your free PDF guide in which I go through all the steps once again. After you've updated your AdWords account, which will happen automatically after October 12, 2015, you will notice that things look a little bit differently. Now, in the old interface, you would see a link on the bottom left of your screen to go to all video campaigns. And now this area is integrated with the rest of your AdWords campaigns. When you click on this little arrow here, you will see that you now have the link right here that says video campaigns. To create a new campaign, I simply click here and choose video. You can start by giving your campaign a name. Make it something you can easily remember later. Then you can set your daily budget. Now, we recommend to start with $20 a day or something similar to that. For networks, we're going to only choose YouTube videos. Then you're going to choose the locations you want to target. Now, you can choose countries as well as regions or cities. For example, it makes sense to target English-speaking countries if that's your target audience. But if you're a local business, you might only want to target one city, for example. This is all possible. In this case, I'm just going to leave it to all because I'm not actually going to run this campaign. Then you can select the languages that your customers speak. Now, in this case, it's set to English. You can also select several languages. By default, your ads will show on all devices, so that's desktop, mobile, and tablet. Now, if you're using one of our video templates, for example, we have a lot of templates that are optimized for desktop devices, then you can make sure that no one on a mobile device is going to see your ad. You can do this by decreasing the mobile bit adjustment with 100%. The advanced settings, this is just about your schedule. If you only want to run your campaign for a few days, you can edit that. We're not going to do that right now. And then there's ad delivery. So if you're running a campaign with placements, we advise you to just keep this as it is. Okay, then you can save and continue. Then you can start by naming your ad group. Now, I'm here in my Veeroll account and I've created a group with different target lists. Now, these lists are the same as what AdWords now calls ad groups. They used to be called targeting groups, but now it's called an ad group. Now, all I have to do is simply copy the title of this group and paste it in here. Then it's going to ask for the link of your video ad. If you're using Veeroll, you can find all the links to your video ads in your dashboard. For example, the latest ad that I've created with Veeroll is right here. So all I have to do again is just copy this link and then paste it in here. In this tutorial, I'm only talking about the things that we recommend you to change. For example, for a video ad type, you can just leave this as it is. Now you get to choose between Instream ad or in-display ad. Of course, for this tutorial, I'm going with Instream. The first thing you have to do now is enter your display URL. That's the link that people will see on your video. For example, in this case, the ad I'm creating is for Splasho. So I just write down splasho.com. Now, the final URL is the link that people will actually go to. In this case, the final URL is the same, it's just the homepage. So I'm going to leave this as it is. If you want to, you can name your ad. For now, I'm just going to stick with video ad 1. Then there's your bidding. We always start with about 20 cents, and this is really something that you have to experiment with. Sometimes when your niche is more competitive, it's really good to try to use maybe 50 cents or even $1, but it really depends on your industry and you have to test it out. To get started, you can just use 20 cents. All right, now we're almost done and we get to the targeting area. When you click on narrow your targeting, you see 4 different options. Now in this case, we're going for placements. So I'm just going to click here. And as you can see, I simply have to just copy paste all the placements inside this box. If you're a Veeroll member, all you have to do is go back to your list of placements. Now, as you can see, I have 238 video placements in this list. I click on Get Links, copy them to my clipboard, go back here, and I paste them. So this is really easy. All you have to do now is add placements. and they will show up here on the right hand side. Sometimes when you do this for the first ad group, it will show this error here at the top of the page. It seems like this is just a small glitch or a bug and you don't actually have to pay attention to it. You can just click done. Now the last step is to save your ad group. Now as you can see, I have a new campaign here in my sidebar. It's called Tutorial Test and I have one ad group with 238 placements. If you want to add a new ad group, you simply go to your campaign. To the campaign level, you could also click here, go to ad groups and simply add a new one, and the process will be exactly the same. Now, if all of this went a little bit too fast, don't worry, because I also created a PDF that you can follow along with very easily. All you have to do is click on the link in this video to go back to the blog and download this step-by-step tutorial. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Don't forget to download the free guide by clicking the annotation inside this video.